Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn exercise 5.4. This exercise based on product using subtract find the product using shortcut product and division. So let us we start. Find the product. Exercise find 5.4. First question is find the product. Product means multiplication. First part A, 9.8 multiply by 8. How to do this question? We can it's direct also and we can arrange it also. 9.8 multiply by 8. So I have told to you in previous classes, when we multiply the numbers, we ignore the point. First we will multiply 8 and 8 because 8 is on ones and this is all in on ones. 8 8s are 64. 64 of 4 carry over 6. 8 9s are 72. 72 and 6 78. Now how to put the decimal or point? We will count the number from right hand side. How many digits are there after the decimal? 1. 1 digits are there. So we will put point in which we got answer. Answer is 784. So we will count the digit from the right hand side. So 4. We will count only one digit because there is also one digit after the decimal. So we will put decimal before of the 4. Now 78.4 is the answer. Part B. Part B is 19.75 multiplied by 4. Again we will arrange this number 19.75 multiplied by 4. Now we ignore the point and multiply by 4 with this number. 4 5 are 20. 20 of 0 carry over 2. 4 7 are 28 plus 2 30. 30 of 0 carry over 3. 4 9 are 36 plus 3 39. 39 of 9 carry over 3. 4 1 are 4. 4 plus 3 7. Now when we put decimal, first we will count the digits after the decimal. 1 and 2. There are 2 digits. So we will count from the right hand side 1, 2 and we put point before of the 2 digits. Now our answer is 79. Because there is after decimal 0 are there, so we will ignore it because there is no value of 0 after the decimal. Now 0.98 multiply by 0.98 multiply 59.2. Again we will arrange these numbers 0.98 multiply 59.2. First we will ignore the points and we will do simple multiplication. 2 8s are 16 of 6 carry over 1. 2 9s are 18 plus 1 19. 19 of 9 carry over 1. 2 zeros are 0 plus 1 1. Now second step is when we multiply the another number, because we have done multiplication by 2 with this number and now we will multiply by 9. So if we will start multiplication of the second number, we will put cross below the ones. 9 8s are 72. 72 of 2 carry over 7. 9 9s are 81 plus 7 88. 88 of 8 carry over 8. 9 zeros are 0 plus 8 8. 0 plus 8 is 8. Now we will start from multiplication with 5. There is third number 1 2 3. It is 100. Now we will start multiplication with 100 numbers. So we will put 2 crores below ones and tens. Now multiply by 5 with this number. 5 8s are 40. 40 of 0 carry over 4. 9 5s are 45. 45 plus 4 49. 49 of 9 carry over 4. 5 zeros are 0 plus 4 is 4. Now add these numbers. 6, 9 plus 2, 11 of 1 carry over 1. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 8, 10, 10 of 0 carry over 1. 8 plus 1, 9, 9 of 9, 18 carry over 1. 5. Now we have got 580, 58,016. 58,016. How to put the decimal? We will count after of the digit, after of the decimal, how many digits are there. So 1, 2, 3. 3 digits are there after decimal. Now which we have got the answer, we will count the numbers from the right hand side. 1, 2, 3. So we will put decimal before of the 3 digits. Now answer is 58.016. Now question 2. Question 2 is using the shortcut method, find the product. Shortcut method, like take one example, 4.235. 4.235 multiplied by 1000. Now first we will multiply. I have told to in previous classes, if you multiply by 1000 any number, so the number will be same because we are multiplying with 1. 4, 2, 3, 5. These will be same and we will put 3 zeros after of the number. 1, 2, 3. Now we will count the number digits after of the decimal. There is 3 digits. 1, 2 and 3. So we will count from the right hand side. 1, 2, 3. And answer is 4235 is the answer because no any value of 0 after of the decimal. With zeros are after of the decimal, there is no value. Now question 3. So all questions are based on this question. Now question 3. What will be the cost of 25 pencil if one pencil is cost 2.75? Question 3 is, this is the word problem. Cost of one pencil is given 2 rupees 75 pencil. 2.75. Cost of 25 pencils. Cost of 25 pencils. If the cost of one pencil is given and asking more cost of more pencils, so we will do multiply like this sums, because there is cost of one pencil is this and asking there 25 cost of 25 pencil, so we will multiply 2.75 multiplied by 25. First we will ignore this point and multiply simply. 5 5s are 25 of 5 carry over 2. 5 7s are 35 plus 2 37 carry over 3. 5 2s are 10 plus 3 13 and cross below the ones. 2 5s are 10 10 of 0 carry over 1. 2 7s are 14 14 plus 1 15 15 of 5 carry over 1. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5. Now add 5 7 8 6. Answer is 6875. So how to put the decimal? Because there is 2 digits after of the decimal, so we will count from the right hand side 2 digits 1 2. So we will put cost of 25 pencil is 68 rupees 75 paise. This is the answer. Now question 4. Question 4 is what length of cloth is required to stitch 35 suits? If 3.82 meter of cloth is required to stitch one suit. One suit required 3.82 meter and 35 suits required how many meter? So length required one suit 3.82 meter. Length required required 35 suit equal to 3.82 multiplied by 35. 3.82 multiplied by 35. 5 2s are 10, 5 8s are 40, 10 of 0 carry over 1. 5 8s are 40, 40 plus 1 41 carry over 4. 5 3s are 15 plus 4 19. 3 2s are 6, 3 8s are 24 of 4 carry over 2. 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 2 11. Now add 0, 7, 13, 1, 3, 1. Now 13,370 meter. How to put decimal? 13,370. Now count the digits after decimal 1 and 2. So we will put before of the 2 digits decimal and 133.70 meter. We want to length for 35 suits. Length required 35 suits is 133.70 meter. So this is the answer. Now question 6. Question 5 is what will be the cost of 25.85 kg if 1 kg rice is cost 32.65. So we have done like this question. Question 3 is and 5 is same. So you will do yourself. You will do practice of this question. Now question 6 is also same. 7 is also same. So you will do practice of these questions. Now question 8. Question 8 is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. fill in the blanks. 0.257. 0.257 multiplied by dash. Answer is 257. 257. So this number is whole number 257 and this is the 0.257. How to find the whole number? If we multiply 0.257 by 1000, so we got the whole number. So I am checking 257 upon 1000 because there is after decimal tens, 100 and 1000. So we have written 257 upon 1000 multiplied by 1000. This. So cancel it. Answer is 257. So our checking is correct. Now next is 2.3. 2.92 multiply dash equal to 29.2. 29.2. So how to do this question? If we divide by 100 and there is 1000. If we will write 1000 and how to do? Let me check. 292 upon 100 multiply 1000. So 292 multiplied by 1000 and answer is 229.2. 1 2 zeros to 0 cancel and answer is, if we multiply by 10, 1 0 to 1 0 cancel and 292.10. So 29.2 answer. Now students, do practice of this exercise at home properly. Thank you and have a nice day.